Out of thousands of cryptocurrencies, you only need these 5 altcoins in 2025 to potentially change your life. We've spent hundreds of hours researching to bring you the absolute best. This isn't just another crypto list. We'll break down why these coins could be game changers in the next bull run. Quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice. The crypto market is wild, so always do your own research. Think of this video as your ultimate starting point. Ready? These projects have mind-blowing tech, massive communities, and explosive growth potential. Grab a notebook. We're diving into the 5 altcoins that could define 2025. Let's go! Number 1 is Ethereum, the foundation of DeFi, NFTs, and Web3. If you've heard about the next big thing in crypto, chances are, it started here. Ethereum isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's the backbone of a new digital economy, powering thousands of applications and innovations. It's not just a coin, it's a global, decentralized supercomputer. Almost every major NFT and DeFi project started on Ethereum. From digital art to lending platforms, Ethereum's smart contracts make it all possible, allowing anyone, anywhere to build and launch their own ideas without permission. It has the largest, most battle-tested developer network in crypto. This means constant innovation and security. Recent upgrades like the move to proof of stake have made Ethereum more energy efficient and set the stage for even bigger changes. The community is always pushing boundaries, making sure Ethereum stays ahead of the curve. The next big thing? Dank sharding. It'll make Ethereum exponentially faster and cheaper, opening the door for mass adoption. Imagine millions of people using Ethereum daily for everything from finance to gaming. Dank sharding is what will make that possible. Ethereum's ecosystem is a snowball. More developers mean more users, which means more value. That's the network effect in action. Every new project, every new user adds momentum, making the entire network stronger and more valuable over time. It's the default platform for smart contracts with unmatched brand recognition and user base. Ethereum's supply is becoming deflationary. More ETH is burned than created, which could drive up price. This scarcity, combined with growing demand, is a powerful force for long-term growth. Holding ETH is like owning a piece of the future internet. While new chains try to compete, Ethereum is the established empire, constantly expanding and improving. Its influence stretches across industries, from finance to art to gaming, shaping the digital world of tomorrow. Layer 2 solutions are being built on top, making the whole network even more valuable. These upgrades mean faster transactions and lower fees, bringing Ethereum to even more people. Ignore Ethereum, and you're ignoring the foundation of Web3. It's the blue chip of altcoins and the safest bet for 2025 and beyond. Ethereum is here to stay, leading the charge into a decentralized future where possibilities are endless. Number 2 is Solana, the lightning-fast blockchain that's redefining speed and user experience. In the world of crypto, speed isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Solana has set itself apart by focusing on delivering a blockchain that feels as fast and responsive as the internet itself. Solana processes up to 65,000 transactions per second, making apps feel instant and seamless. This is a game changer for developers and users alike, as it means no more waiting around for transactions to clear or worrying about network congestion slowing things down. Fees are a fraction of a penny, opening crypto to everyone, not just the wealthy. This ultra-low cost structure makes it possible for people to experiment, build and transact without fear of high fees eating into their funds. This speed and affordability are attracting a massive wave of developers and users. Solana's ecosystem is growing rapidly, with new projects launching every week and a thriving community eager to innovate. The Solana ecosystem is exploding with DeFi, NFTs, and gaming projects, from decentralized finance platforms to cutting-edge NFT marketplaces and blockchain-powered games. Solana is becoming a hub for next-generation applications. Yes, Solana's had outages, but these are growing pains. Each challenge makes the network stronger. The team is constantly improving the technology, learning from setbacks, and building a more resilient blockchain for the future. Think of Solana as a high-performance sports car. Sometimes it needs a tune-up, but it's built for speed. When it's running at full throttle, nothing else comes close to its performance. The team is pushing boundaries, especially with innovations like the Saga crypto smartphone, making Web3 accessible to the mainstream. Solana isn't just about blockchain, it's about bringing crypto into everyday life. Solana's community is vibrant and passionate, fueling its rapid growth. From online forums to real-world meetups, the energy and excitement around Solana are contagious. Major companies like Google and Visa are integrating with Solana, adding credibility and momentum. These partnerships signal that Solana is being taken seriously by some of the biggest names in tech and finance. Solana's monolithic approach, one ultra-fast blockchain, offers a different path from Ethereum's modular vision. This design choice allows for greater speed and efficiency, but also presents unique challenges and opportunities. In a world demanding speed and seamless experience, Solana is perfectly positioned for massive adoption. As more people look for fast, affordable, and user-friendly blockchain solutions, Solana stands out as a top contender. It's the high-performance sports car of blockchains, built for those who want to go fast, innovate, and shape the future of crypto. Third on our list is Polygon, often called Ethereum's ultimate scaling solution and one of the most innovative projects in the crypto space today. Rather than competing with Ethereum, Polygon supercharges it, making transactions dramatically faster and much more affordable for everyone, from developers to everyday users. Imagine Ethereum as a busy highway during rush hour. Polygon builds expressways and bypasses around it, easing congestion, slashing fees, and letting traffic flow smoothly. As a Layer 2 solution, Polygon combines Ethereum's rock-solid security with its own lightning-fast speed and low costs, making blockchain accessible to millions more people. That's why major global brands, Disney, Starbucks, Reddit, Meta, and more, are building on Polygon, helping drive mainstream adoption of blockchain technology. Polygon makes it easy for big companies to integrate blockchain tech, acting as a bridge between the old world of Web 2 and the new world of Web 3, unlocking new possibilities for business and users alike. But Polygon isn't just a single solution, it's a whole suite of scaling tools, including cutting-edge ZK rollups and other advanced technologies, all designed for massive scalability and flexibility. Polygon's vision is ambitious, to create a network of interconnected chains, enabling unlimited growth, seamless interoperability, and a unified user experience across the entire blockchain ecosystem. At the heart of this ecosystem is the MATIC token, which powers transactions, secures the network, and is seeing growing demand as more projects and users join the Polygon family. Polygon benefits from Ethereum's massive network effect, while also building its own thriving community and infrastructure. As more brands and platforms onboard millions of users, Polygon's appeal and utility only continue to grow, making it a magnet for innovation. Looking ahead to 2025, Polygon is a must-have in any crypto portfolio. It's not an Ethereum killer, but an essential enabler of Ethereum's future. As Ethereum's adoption and usage grow, so does the need for Polygon's scaling solutions, making it even more vital. In the world of crypto, Polygon is the ultimate team player, amplifying Ethereum's strengths and opening the door to the next wave of blockchain innovation. Fourth is Avalanche, building a parallel financial universe for institutions and enterprises. Avalanche's unique consensus mechanism allows near-instant, irreversible transactions, perfect for high-stakes finance. Its architecture of subnets lets anyone build custom blockchains on top of Avalanche, tailored for specific needs. Major banks and companies are piloting Avalanche subnets for tokenizing real-world assets, stocks, real estate, and more. This is a multi-trillion-dollar opportunity, and Avalanche is leading the way. The AVAX token secures the network, pays for transactions, and is required to create new subnets, driving constant demand. As more subnets launch, more AVAX is locked up, reducing supply. Avalanche's DeFi and gaming ecosystems are thriving, proving its versatility. Led by a world-class team, Avalanche is building with the rigor institutions demand. Avalanche is focused on bringing the world's largest financial markets on-chain. Its subnet innovation offers the customization and control enterprises need. A bet on Avalanche is a bet on the tokenization of everything. It's the corporate powerhouse of crypto. Last but not least, number 5 is Chainlink, the essential connector for all of crypto. Chainlink isn't a blockchain, it's a decentralized Oracle network that connects blockchains to real-world data. Without Chainlink, smart contracts can't access prices, weather, or any off-chain info. They're isolated. Chainlink's oracles fetch, verify, and deliver real-world data securely to smart contracts, making DeFi and Web3 possible. It's the invisible backbone supporting thousands of applications across dozens of blockchains. The Link token pays node operators for providing data, creating a powerful economic cycle as demand grows. Chainlink's new cross-chain interoperability protocol lets blockchains talk to each other and transfer tokens seamlessly. Chainlink is expanding into secure off-chain computation, enabling more advanced decentralized apps. Its network effect is massive. Most projects rely on Chainlink for trusted data. For new DeFi projects, using Chainlink is the industry standard. Chainlink is the ultimate picks and shovels play for the blockchain gold rush. No matter which blockchain wins, they'll all need Chainlink. Owning Link is like owning a piece of the internet's plumbing. Nothing works without it. There you have it. The 5 essential altcoins for 2025, Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, Avalanche, and Chainlink. Each tackles a critical piece of the future internet, forming a powerful foundation for any crypto portfolio. Remember, this is just your starting point. Do your own research and build your conviction. What do you think of this list? Comment your top altcoin pick for 2025 below. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck building your future.